Unfortunately, if our evaluation does not reveal any specific treatable cause for tinnitus, then there is no treatment. And this is a very big problem because in the United States alone, there are over 20 million patients who suffer with tinnitus. But there is no pill that you can take twice a day for 5 days and this will be gone. As a rule, if you have this noise for over 3 months, it will not go away. It then becomes a challenge to learn to deal with this noise. Tinnitus is always more pronounced when we are nervous because although the noise is generated in your ear, it is perceived in your brain in the same part of your brain that controls emotion. So it's very common if something happens that gets you upset, for example, you have an argument with your significant other, the noise will get louder. You will then become more upset by the noise, it will get even louder, you will get more upset, you will find yourself in a vicious cycle of escalating noise in your ear. So the best treatment for tinnitus is anything which will relax you. If you can learn to meditate, if you can learn to do exercise, if you can do anything to help yourself relax, it will make this noise less bothersome. Another very effective treatment for the noise is to create background sound which will mask the noise. So for example, many patients are unaware of noise during the day, but they hear it at night. And the reason that they hear it at night is because it's quiet in your bedroom. So you can create some background sound in your bedroom. You can sleep with a television or a radio, or you can buy a noise generator where you can select the sound of wind, the sound of rain, the sound of the ocean. And this background noise will mask out the tinnitus or the sound that you're hearing either in your ear or in your head. Finally, a small group of patients become very anxious or very depressed as a result of this noise. And in that instance, it's very important to be properly medicated for either the anxiety or the depression, and that must be done medically. If you go online, you will find many cures for $10. You can buy a bottle, you take it for 2 days, guaranteed to get your money back. Don't hold your breath until you get your money back. Whenever we in medicine are unable to cure a disease, others will fill that void to try to give you relief. But it is unfortunate but true that there is no medication that cures tinnitus.